There is nothing on it. We've literally got it stripped.
So what do we reckon we're going to ride height at? Oh, it's not going to be the best measurement. Let's just say 10.25. So
About 12 and a half.
yeah, about there.
12 and a half centimeters in the rear.
Let's see what happens when we put it all back together.
So that's a 12 and a half centimeter ride height stripped. As you guys can see, I said this when we were pulling the dashboard out. You've stuck with us. And here we are with basically a stripped body. So bonnet's gone, doors are gone, boot's gone.
There's stuff missing, man.
I'm Johnny Knoxville. Welcome to Jackass.
Wow, there's not much left of this thing now.
Everything physically is now being removed. We've got panels that are painted. So all the bolt-on panels that we took off and small accessories are now sorted.
Yes, all the guards have been painted and repaired and done. Bars are done and repaired. There was a few holes in the bumper bars.
Front bumper especially.
Yeah, that we had to attend to.
Weren't the best, far from the best.
But
yeah.
we made it work.
Yep.
Very, very happy with how it's all coming out. But yeah, next thing now is for me to go do doors, boot, bonnet, finish stripping the glass and stuff, which is obviously something we can't do, and then body.
Yeah, we'll get the glassy in to rip the windows out of it for us and get the sunroof out so we can start sanding the last of the body.
Yep.
And then it'll be off to the booth for the body side of things, get primed and painted and finished off, and hopefully by the time we're up to that stage we'll have large panels ready to go as well. So
we'll have large panels ready to go as well.
Then we can start the slow process of reassembling.
Yes, the cautious process, because I don't want to scratch it.
That's right, that's right. So yeah, we'll have, in the meantime, while it's apart, we'll go with our swap out of the last parts of the interior. So we'll get our new dashboard in here ready to go. We'll get our new seats, better than our flaked up, ripped up, hard as nails cardboard seats.
Yeah, that's if you could feel these, you'd it'd be like sitting on cardboard.
Yeah, it's hard to tell, but you can see how dry they are. They've done their duty.
They have done their duty.
Yeah, we'll get all of those last bits sorted so that when it comes time to reassembly, we're literally just bolting pieces back on. Carefully. And then once we've got everything bolted back on, that's it.
That's where we're at, and we'll make decisions on what we're going to do with it next after that.
Yeah. Anyway.
Alright guys, thank you.
Thanks for watching, we appreciate it.
We do, very much so. Until next time.
Sorted.